regards to chapter 5.1. So before even starting the numerical problems, like discussing the numerical problems, I would like to discuss about two more formulas, which is actually the, if we subtract a plus b whole square, if we subtract a minus b whole square from a plus b whole square, what do we get? So this we can actually turn into a formula. So a plus b whole square, we already know that's a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So if we just write down as it is, like a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square, then minus into minus is plus, and minus into plus is minus. So what do we get? That's 4ab. So from here we can deduce a formula, that is, if we subtract a minus b whole square from a plus b whole square, we get the formula 4ab. Similarly, if we add both a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, we can get another formula, that is 2 into a square plus b square. Just add them, and whatever you get, we can deduce the formula. It's basically also in your book in as corollary as well. Okay, so somewhere, like if you have a problem where you have a plus b whole square and you want to deduce ab, and you have a plus b and you have a minus b, suppose, so you want to deduce ab, so you just put the values over here and you can divide it with 4, you can find the value of ab. So it's very simple, we just need to use the formula wherever it is required. Okay, so now moving on to example 14. So I will discuss this problem as well. So example 14, if you see, it's a very big question. So how to solve it? Now we will actually require to go reverse. Before, what did we learn? That is a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this question is actually given in the format of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we need to convert this into a minus b whole square format. Okay, so if once we convert this into this whole question into a minus b whole square format, this problem will get easier. For example, let's say if you look over here, that is, it's a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if you see, 2 is also over here. This complete, if you consider this to be a, okay, so it's a square minus 2, and this is what? A, right? 2x plus 3y is a, so this is actually a, right? And if you consider 2x minus 5y as b, so this is actually what? B, right? So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is actually in the format of this, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to? That is a minus b whole square. So we can actually shorten this whole question into according to the formula. So we can write equals to, a is what? 2x plus 3y, right? So 2x plus 3y, then minus b. So minus, what is b? 2x minus 5y. So we just use the second bracket, minus 2x minus 5y, and this is actually in the whole square format, right? So is a second bracket, and outside of it we put a square. So now we have actually what? So we have broken this up, we have actually merged this into the formula a minus b whole square. So 2x plus 3y, we can break this up now. So that is 2x plus 3y, minus into 2x is minus 2x, minus into minus 5y is plus 5y. Okay, then put a square. So if you see, 2x and minus 2x is gone, so 3y plus 5y, it's 8y, and it's in square format. So 8y square is 64y square. So the answer is 64y square. So if you see, the question is big, but that doesn't mean that the problem will also be big. It's just that till now what we have learned, we have tried to do what? A minus b whole square, we we required to expand it. Now it's already in the expanded form, we just need to reduce it. Okay, and we have converted into, we have got a very easy value, that is 64y square. So this is how you can actually, if you have any, let's say, let me give you another example. Let's say from exercise 5.1, number 19, let's say 7a plus b whole square minus 2 into 7a plus b into 7a minus b plus 7a minus b whole square. Okay, so if you look at it, you can easily see that this is minus 2ab, and there is, if this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can actually relate a formula that is the same formula which we just discussed, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So if this, let us consider this to be a, then this will be a, right? Then this will be b. So we can again reduce this into according to our formula. So we can write equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square is what? We already know, that is a minus b whole square. So we can write 7a plus b, which is our a, minus b. B is what? 7a minus b. So in bracket we should write 7a minus b, then a minus b whole square, right? So we put a square over here. It's equals to 7a plus b minus 7a minus plus b, and then put the square. So 7a minus 7a already gone. B plus b is 2b. So 2b whole square. So what is the answer? 4b square. So very easy. If you have a problem which is in this expanded form, you need to actually reduce and simplify this. Okay, very simple. Okay, next let's move on to example 15. So the question is, if x equals to 7 and y equals to 6, find the value of 16x square minus 40xy plus 25y square. So this is my question, 16x square minus 40xy plus 25y square. I need to find the value of this. So this actually, what normally we would do is, we just would put the value of x and put the value of y, then we could find out. But this would be, if we just directly put the values of x and y, then the problem would have become a bit larger. Okay, so we can actually, what we can do is, we can reduce this. Okay, once we reduce this, we can easily put the values of x and y. So let's say, what is given over here? 16x square minus 40xy plus 25y square. So here you need to be very good with square numbers. Okay, what is the square of like, if you square root 16, what does it come? If we square root 16, we already know that it is 4. So 16 is the square number of what? 4. Similarly 25 is the square number of what? 25, if you remember, is the square number of 5, because 5 square is what? 25. 4 square is 16. Before even solving this problem, you at least need to know the square numbers till 10, from 1 to 10. Okay, because this you will be requiring so that you can solve it easily. Okay, so now instead of writing 16x square, what can we write? Equals to 4x whole square minus, you see, this is actually in the format of, just if you can look closely and think a bit closer, this is actually a square minus 2ab plus b square format, right? Because I have a minus over here, I have a plus over here. So but here it's 40, right? So we need to bring it, convert into a 2ab format, because in the formula what do we have? A square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So I need to put 2 anyhow. After 2, what shall I put? Very interesting. You see, x is already here. Okay, so x we can put, and y is already here, so we can put y. But what do we need to put so that we can get 40 over here? You see, already I have 4, so obviously it should be part of a. Then what else? 2 into 4 is 8. Then what do I need to do so that I can get 40? So 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into what is 40? 8 into 5. So 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 5 is 40. So if I just write it in a proper way, I can write 2 into 4x. 4x is our a, and from here if you see 25y square we can write in this format, b format. So a square minus 2 into a into b will be what? 5y. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so we can now write, so what a square minus 2ab plus b square is what? A minus b whole square, right? So over here a is what? 4x. 4x is a, okay, and 5y is what? b. So 4x whole square minus 2ab plus means 2 into 4x into 5y plus 5y square. So we can write as in a minus b. So a is 4x, b is what? 5y. So we can write 4x minus 5y whole square. Okay, then x, the value of x is what? 7. So we can write 4 into 7 minus, what is the value of y? 6. So 5 into 6 square. So 4 into 7 is 28, minus 6 is, minus 5 into 6 is 30. So 28 minus 30 whole square. So 28 minus 30 is what? Minus 2. So minus 2 whole square means minus 2 into minus 2. So minus into minus is minus into minus is plus. So 2 into 2 is 4. So answer is 4. So if you actually try to reduce an expression, you can do it by using formula. So this was actually in the formula of a square, in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I reduced it and I didn't have to do any sort of big calculations. If you would have like put 7 over here directly, or the value of x and y directly, you would required to have done like large calculations. But since I converted it, I simplified this problem into smaller, I reduced the problem. So what I had to do, I just required what? Simple calculations. Okay, so this is how you need to simplify, and then put the value of x and y. So in bracket over here you also need to what? Putting value of x and y. Okay, so let's say let me give you another example related to this problem. Let's say from exercise 5.1 number 25. Exercise 5.1 number 25. So I hope this is clear, right? Okay, once I do another example you will be more clear. Now let's say 25x square plus 36y square minus 60xy. Given here is x equal to minus 4, y equal to minus 5. So now if you see, first of all, here there is a minus, here there is a plus. Okay, so what formula comes in your mind? Obviously it should be a minus b whole square, right? Because in a minus b whole square there is one minus and one plus. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So now this you need to convert it into a square form because it's a square, right? So I need to convert this. Let's say 25 is the square number of which number? 5, right? So we can write 5x whole square plus, what is this? 36 is the square number of which number? 6. So we can write 6y whole square minus 60xy. Let's keep 60xy as it is. Now we need to bring this minus 2ab in between. Okay, so let's say 5x whole square, I'm trying to arrange it, minus 60xy. So according to the formula I need to bring 2 first, so let's put 2 over here. Next 5x, this is our a, and 6y, this is our b. So 2 into 5, if you even check, 2 into 5 is what? 10. 10 into 6 is 60. So this is what we are required, 60 x and y. So I have already converted it, plus 6y. Please remember to put this in bracket. Always remember this because it's 25x square. So 5x whole square means 25x square. If you are not putting brackets, you are actually saying, if I write just 5x square instead of writing bracket over here, so what does it become? It just become, the value is just 5x square. So I need to always put the brackets. Okay, so now I can reduce it very easily. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So what does it become? A minus b whole square. So what is our a over here? A is 5x, b is what? 6y. So equals to 5x minus 6y whole square. Now what is the value of x? X is minus 4, y is what? Minus 5. So we just put the values. Okay, so 5 into minus 4 minus, we use a second bracket because there is another minus actually, so minus 6 into, what is, y is minus 5, so we put a minus 5 over here and that square. So equals to 5 into minus 4 is minus 20, then minus 6 into minus 5 is plus 30. So minus 20 plus 30 is what? 10. So 10 square is 100. So the answer of this problem is 100. So I hope you can understand like how to convert this sort of problems. Okay, you need to be very good with square numbers. You need to understand that what number, like a 25, what is the square number or what is the square root of 25. Okay, then only you will be able to solve. So a bit of knowledge from arithmetic is required over here. Okay, so I hope this problem is clear.